Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more mobile marketing insights. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. You're watching Rome Tips, and today we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Liftoff platform, exploring its features and my own usage experience. Liftoff is a performance-driven mobile app marketing and retargeting platform specifically designed for advertisers seeking high-quality users and aiming to boost meaningful post-install engagement. Unlike traditional ad networks that prioritize installs alone, Liftoff leverages machine learning to optimize campaigns for in-app actions. This ensures advertisers receive genuine value for their ad spend, focusing on tangible results beyond the initial download. One of Liftoff's key strengths lies in its programmatic user acquisition capabilities. The platform analyzes vast datasets to pinpoint users most likely to actively engage with an app, not just download it and move on. It then delivers personalized ads across a diverse array of formats, including native, video, interstitial, and playable ads. This targeted approach leads to improved conversion rates and a stronger return on investment. Furthermore, the bidding system is fully automated, freeing advertisers from manual bid adjustments. Liftoff's AI-powered platform handles the heavy lifting by continuously optimizing for cost per action, CPA, rather than the more traditional cost per install, CPI, metric. Liftoff also excels as a powerful retargeting tool. Many apps grapple with user churn, and Liftoff helps re-engage inactive users by presenting them with personalized ads designed to entice their return. This is especially valuable for e-commerce, fintech, and gaming apps where user retention is as crucial as acquisition. By analyzing user behavior, Liftoff delivers ads at the optimal moment, maximizing the likelihood of conversions. Another significant advantage is the platform's extensive ad inventory. Liftoff collaborates with leading ad exchanges and publishers, guaranteeing broad-reaching campaigns with premium placement opportunities. Moreover, the platform offers comprehensive reporting and analytics, providing advertisers with real-time visibility into campaign performance, user behavior, and return on ad spend. In summary, Liftoff presents a sophisticated mobile advertising solution tailored for companies that prioritize acquiring and retaining high-quality users. With its AI-driven optimization, real-time bidding, and emphasis on post-install engagement, it stands as one of the most effective platforms for fostering long-term app growth. If you're aiming to scale your mobile app with a focus on high-quality users, I encourage you to explore the links provided in the description below.